guys, it's Lisette here. I'm in a little bit of a predicament. You see, I love the braids. I love them. I think they're beautiful. I think that they're beautifully done and braided. And honestly, like if I could keep this in, I would love that. But my scalp is on fire and it hurts and it's itchy and I can't sleep. So I'm taking them out. I'm taking them out. I don't care. I'm taking them out. I have to. You're not listening to me. I have to take them out because I'm in pain. Like, I want to show you guys my scalp. Do you see that? It's kind of hard to see, but there's a lot of bumps, a lot of redness. My scalp is actually flaking. Like, no matter how much oil I apply, my scalp just continues to flake. These braids are just way too heavy. I've come to the conclusion that as much as I love doing protective styles, I don't think that they're meant for me. I don't think that they're meant for me. I have done everything to make sure that these braids would be able to last. I soaked them in apple cider vinegar. I had the person braiding my hair braid them loosely, not super tight. And I also have been making sure to moisturize my scalp, make sure to keep it clean, all of that. And I still am in pain. You always keep your hairstyles for only a couple days, and you know, I'm really offended. It's my money, it's my hair, it's my scalp, and I want to cut them out because I feel like it and because I can and because I'm in a lot of pain. Okay? Before we get started, I would like you guys to take a guess as to how many braids you think that I have. I want to say that I have about 58 braids. So right now in the comments down below, make sure that you leave your estimate to see at the end if you guessed correctly. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram, stay up to date with me. So I have my scissors and oh my gosh, I'm excited, but I'm also really sad because I love these box braids. Like, I am obsessed with the way they look. But the thing is, like, at the end of the day, hair should not be affecting your sleep. To be honest, I'm not really sure where my hair ends, but I think it's around like boob length. So I'm just gonna cut this end off. And just start unbraiding. Last time when I made my locks video, some of you guys were coming for me saying that I undid the locks the wrong way or whatever, and that you're supposed to comb your dry hair after you like unravel it. And so that's something that I learned from you guys. Like, I don't ever comb my hair dry. So I would never think that you would comb your hair dry, but it makes sense. You know, you have all the hairs that are trapped inside. So I'm just unraveling it. I'm not really sure where my natural, oh, this is my natural. Right here. Ooh. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna comb it through. Oh my gosh, it's so, feels so good. So this is one section already. I'm just gonna put the hair right here and you can watch it grow as I take these apart. So I'm pretty sure my hair is up higher than I thought, so I'm gonna cut a little bit more. But the front ones are the ones that are the most sensitive, like especially in this area. This area is the area that hurts the most. Look at this little piece. Look at this little teeny tiny piece that had this hair on it. Oh my gosh, okay. Look at my hair. Hello?
Yeah.
Hey, do you think that you could come over and help me with something?
Yeah, of course. I can come over and help you.
Okay, because I need someone to help me cut out these braids.
What, you want to cut the whole thing out, or you trying to go for a new look, or what?
No, I'm just trying to cut them out. Like remove the hair.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah. Oh, no doubt. I'll be over there.
All right, cool.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Last time I cut my locks out all by myself, and you know what? I'm not doing that again. I'm not. I feel like low-key this is like ASMR. Okay, now that I know that this one isn't that long, I'm gonna cut it a little bit shorter. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm done cutting it because I keep cutting my actual hair. Your hair sheds lots of hair every single day. So when you keep your hair in a specific hairstyle for like a long period of time, your hair is still shedding, but it's not going anywhere, it's stuck. So this is all the hair that's been shed. One taught me love, and one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now that shit's amazing. And I've loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. Whoa. Ooh, I have some knots in here. All right, guys, so the help has arrived. Okay, so this is the drill, okay? What you have to do, I'm gonna demonstrate one so you can see.
Cut the end.
You cut the end, right? Like so. Throw it in the thing, and then you want to just unbraid it all the way up. Are you doing it, or let people see what you're doing in the back?
This is a good height right here.
See, look, and then this is the shed hair that comes out.
Who you saving that for?
So I could give it to you as a gift.
We're gonna do a twerk break or what?
I know, I think I'm cutting up too high.
You are.
Wait, you cutting up high too!
That's lower than yours.
You getting a little bit excited. Oh wow, okay. Alright. Cut my hair, see what happens. Cut my hair.
This is your hair right
Look,
here.
give it to me. I feel like you have been on the same braid.
Well, you know,
for the
I
past...
actually was on another braid I almost finished, but you took it from me and took credit for that. So I'm just doing what I can.
Okay, so I am officially halfway done. Update on our little hairball here. Last braid. Oh my gosh. I like can't undo it fast enough. Okay, so all of my hair down looks like this. And oh my gosh, it just feels so good. It feels so good. This is all the hair that I lost. which I feel like is a pretty good amount. It's not like too much. And I also had a few knots, but for the most part, this is how much hair was in my braids. And there's still some in there, I just can't pick it all up. Alrighty guys, so I am so hungry. I'm about to eat and then I'm going to hop in the shower. And there was a total of 59 braids. So I don't know, did you guess correctly? Were you close? So as soon as I get in the shower, the first thing that I'm doing is of course wetting my hair. And for my first product, it's from DEVACURL and it's their Wash Day Wonder. So this is really cool because it helps to get rid of all your tangles before you shampoo. So I'm just applying this all throughout my hair and I'm combing it with my wet brush. And as you can see, this is just gliding right through my hair and I'm really not having much of a struggle using my comb. So once my hair has been detangled, I'm rinsing this out and it's time to actually shampoo. So the one I'm using today is from Bumble and Bumble and it's their BB Curl shampoo. And I like this one because it suds up and it's one of the few shampoos that I have that actually suds up. And I really needed something with suds. So I'm just focusing this on my scalp and oh my gosh guys, my scalp was so raw doing this, but I know that I really needed it. So last but not least, I'm using conditioner and I'm actually mixing it with my DEVACURL mask. This one is the Deep Sea Repair and I like this one because it's a protein treatment. So I felt like I really needed to give my curls some protein. So I'm just mixing the two and applying it through my hair and letting this sit for about 15 minutes. So this is what my curls are looking like after I took the braids out. And final thoughts. Basically, you know, unfortunately, I just think that I'm someone that will continue to have sensitivity with braids, but that's not gonna stop me from getting them. I love the look of protective styles, and even though I can only keep them in for a little bit due to how my scalp gets, I don't think I could ever stop. But it feels good to have the curls back and it feels really good to just be able to feel my scalp, be able to just use conditioner and just have water run through my hair. I do feel like my hair has been going through a lot lately, just with everything that's been happening with the coloring and just with, you know, the wigs and with the braids. And I feel like I do need to give my hair a break. So I'm gonna just chill for a minute. If you like this video, then please make sure to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.